This is Hotel Vintage in Seattle, Washington. Ooh. Going down? 2 elevators is decent. Less amount of floors.
Yes.
So the micro switch buttons. Yes, go.
These things are really fast.
Yeah. Looks like they used to have a voice. Two.
One down?
Yeah.
Which one?
Thank you. Lobby.
Lobby?
Oh, you go shopping for?
Huh?
We just film elevators as a hobby.
See.
This is 2. You have a good day.
Yeah. You too.